This is the question. Kim takes part in a race that covers a total distance of 20,000 meters. She cycles 17,875 meters and runs the remaining distance. Work out the distance Kim's run. So here we have total distance is 20,000. This is 20,000 and this much distance covered by the cycle. So if I subtract this one, so here I have 5 and 2, and here I have 1 and this is 2. So 2125 meter, this much distance she runs. Here write the number 17,800 in words. So this is 17,000 800 and 75. Next is write down the number 17,875 nearest to hundreds. So nearest to 100, this is 17875. So 1 tens 100. So this is the 100 place, this one. So after that we have to check this value. If this is more than 5 or 5, so we have to add this number by 1. So this is 179 and this becomes 00. So this is 17900. So this is the answer of third part. This is the question. The diagram show the net of a solid. This is the net of solid. So here, what is the mathematical name of the solid? So the name of this one is square based pyramid. And if you fold this one, you will get this kind of figure: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So for this solid, write down the number of vertex. So this is vertex A, B, C, D and E. These are my vertices. So we have 5 vertices here. So answer is 5. So this is the answer of this question. Here this is the question. The number n is a both multiple of 12. Multiple of 12 and a square number. So here 12, if you 12 multiply 1, this is 12, but this is not a square number. So if you multiply 12 into 2, that is 24. That is also not a perfect square number. And 12 into 3, here you will get 36, and this is a perfect square number. So my answer is 36. This is the question. A coin is made from a mixture of tin, copper and zinc. This is the table. So here this is a metal, tin, copper and zinc. This is the percentage of tin and copper and zinc. We have to find out the value of K. The sum of the percentage, the sum of the percentage of this one and percentage of this one is equal to always 100%. because we are making a coin. So here 0.4% plus 96.5% plus k percent equal to 100%. This is 0.4 plus 96.5 plus k equal to 100. So k equal to, this is 96.9 plus k equal to 100, and k equal to 100 minus 96.9. So here you will get 3.1. The value of k is 3.1%. So this is the answer of this question. This is the answer of this question. Here a question. Here are 4 number cards. So this is 0, 1, 3 and 5. So here, using each card, write down one number between 320 and 3200, 320 and 3200, 3020 between 300 3200. So here we have, so this place, this is my 4-digit number. So this place, because starting from 3, this is the, here it is 3 and this is 3. So here number we have to take between these 3, and here we can write 1, 0 and 5. This is 3105. For second number I can take starting number is 3, and this is 200. So here I will write 1, 5 and 0. But if I write here 0 and this one here, so this is, it is not coming between this one, this number. And if I write 5 here, so this is 200. If I write 5 here and 1 here, and this number is also not coming between these number. So these are my answer. Here I have a question. Write down the ratio. 90 ratio 1 to 120. It's simplest form. So better I will take, this is 90 and divide by 120. So simply I can cancel out 0. So this is 9 by 12. HCF of both the number, HCF of 9 and 12 is 3. So divide by 3 and divide by 3. So here you will get 3 by 4. The simplest form is 3 ratio 4. This is the diagram. Show a shape of 5 shaded section. This one is shaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shade one more section on the diagram. Show that the rotational symmetry of order 3. So if I rotate this one, so this is 360 degree. But we have order 3, so divide by 3. So this is 120 degree. And here if I draw this diagram, this is complete from here. This is the position of, here this is the position of this one. And if I rotate this one, because this is 120 degree, if I rotate this side, so this is my 120 degree. Here it is 120 degree. This is 120 degree. And if I rotate this one, so this shape should be shaded. So this one is the shaded one. So this is the answer of this question. Here I have a question from bearing. The scale drawing show the position of a rock R, and on the scale is 1 centimeter, represent 30 meters. A lighthouse L is 210 meter from R on the bearing of 125. On the scale drawing, mark the position of L. So this is my rock and this is the position of rock. So here what I will do, here I will take a scale and here I will draw a line. So this is the line. So here I will write, this is my R and this is the north, and here we have to check scale factor. So here this is 210 and divided by 30. So this is 7 meter, because when 30 meter the scale represents 1 centimeter, 30 meter is 1 centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 30, and for 270 equal to 1 by 30 into 270. So this is 210. So this is 7 centimeter. So here we have to find the position of lighthouse, and the bearing is 125 degree. So here I will use protractor. So this is the point R. So here I will use protractor, and from here I will use 125 degree. So I will rotate clockwise. This is the clockwise, and here this is 130, and here I have 125. So this is 125, and this is 127. So this is the position of L. So this is the position of L. Now you can use a scale. So here this is my line. So I will draw this angle, and this is my line, and this should be 7 centimeter, and this is the position of L, and this is 125 degree, and this is the answer of this question. Now here I have a question. A cake has a mass of 600 gram. The mass of a cake is 600 gram. The mass eaten equal to 1/5 of the cake. So this is 1/5 of 600. Now if you calculate this one, 600 divided by 5, so you can cancel out. This is, you will get 120. So this is 120 mass eaten. Now what we have to find out? Left cake. So here mass left equal to 600 minus 120. So this is 480 gram is left. Now here I have a question. This is the triangle and these are the intersecting line, and here line AB and CD, the parallel line. This line is parallel to this line. So these two lines are parallel. This line and this line is parallel to each other. So this is my transversal. So here this angle, if two lines are parallel, and this is this angle and this angle, corresponding angle. So here I have angle A, or alternate angle also you can say. So this angle A equal to also 46 degree, and this is corresponding angle or alternate angle. Now find the value of B. This one is 46, and now here I have sum of these two angles, because these two angles straight line, because of sum of 46 plus B equal to 180 degree and B equal to 180 minus 46. So here you will get 134 degree. So this is 134 degree, and a straight line sum, straight line sum to 180. Now here this is now angle C. We have to find out angle C. This is my triangle, inner triangle, sum of angle, inner triangle. So here sum of angle in triangle equal to 180. So here 60 plus 46 plus C equal to 180. 6, and this is 10 plus C equal to 180, and C equal to 180 minus 106. So here this angle plus this angle plus this one equal to 180. Angle C equal to 180 minus 106. So here 4, and this is 74. The angle C is 74 degree. So this is the answer of this question. Here I have a question. This is the workout only. So here we will use, for this question we will use board mass, D mass. So first we have to check divide is not there, multiply. So first we have to multiply 7 plus This is 9 3 is 27. 7 plus 27 is, now add. Second first one is multiply, then add and subtract, and this is divide. So this one we will not apply divide because divide is not there. Then we will apply multiply, then addition. So this is my answer is 34. Second, here this negative and negative, if you multiply you will get positive, and negative and positive you will get negative, and positive and negative, if you multiply you will get negative, and positive multiply you will get positive. So here you can see both negative, so this one I will apply here. So negative 6 plus 12. So here if I subtract, because 12 and negative 6 you will get positive 12, because positive 12 is greater than, so this is negative 6 and this is 12, so 12 is greater than this one, so here you will get 6 is the answer. So for this question, exponent, so here if I have x to the power negative 2, so here I can write x to the power 2. Same here, this is 1 by 10 to the power 2, so this is 1 by 10 into 10, so this is 1 by 100. This is the answer of this part. Here this is the question from factorize. So here 9x plus 3. So HCF of 9 and 3, 9 and 12. So HCF multiple of 3 into 3, and 12 multiple of 12, 2 into 3. So only 3 is common. So here for this one 3 is common. Now inside here you can check, here 3 and here 4. Here 3x plus 4. So final answer is 3 and 3x plus 4 is my answer. Now we have to simplify this one. So here I have how to solve this one. So here this is negative 5 and this is positive 13. So here we can add positive 5 and positive 5 both sides to balance the equation. So here this cancel out. So here I have only 6x equal to 2x and plus 18. Now from both sides I can subtract negative 2x, because here we have to find the value of x. So negative 2x and negative 2x. So here I will get 4x, and here cancel. This is also cancel. So here I have 18. Now I have 4x equal to 18. Now divide by 4. Divide by 4 both sides. So this cancel out. So x equal to 18 by 4. So this is 2 9s are 18, 2 to the 4. The value of x is 9 by 2. This is the answer of this question. Here I have a question. A plane fly from London to Colombo. The time in London when plane leaves is 8:20 on Saturday. The time in Colombo when the plane arrives is 2:15 on Sunday. The flight time is 13 hours 25 minutes. So here find the difference between London and Colombo. Time difference. State whether the time in Colombo is ahead or behind in the time in London. So here the flight start from 8:20. So this is 8:20, start from 8:20 Saturday. Start from 8:20. Now flight timing is 13 hours. So 13 hours and 25 minutes. So if you add them, so this is 20, this is 21, this is 21, 21, 21, 21 hour, 21 45 minute. But here you check, but the flight arrive in Colombo at 2:15. So this is 2:21:45. So this is 22. Here the gap is 15 minute, and then 23 15 minute, and then here I have 23. So this is 1 hour, and then 24 plus 1 hour, 24, then 1 o'clock, and then 2.5 2:15. So this is 1 hour plus 1 hour and plus 1 hour 15 minutes. Total time you can check 1 2 3 4 4 hour and 30 minutes. So this is the difference is 4 hour and 30 minutes, and that this flight is reaching on Sunday, so it means the time is ahead. The time in Colombo is ahead of the time in London. And this is the answer of this question. In this question, the diagram show the shape made from the two different parallelogram, and the shape has a total area. Total area of this complete figure is 210. We have to find the value of x. So this is my first parallelogram and this is my second parallelogram. So here this is 15, this is also 15 centimeter. Area of this parallelogram, area of parallelogram is base into height. So this is base into height. So here you will get base into height 15 into 4. So this is 60 centimeter square. Now area of this part, area of this one, area of this part, total area is 210, and subtract 60. So this is 0. Here 11 minus 6 5, and this is 150. The area of this part is 150 centimeter square. Now here the area equal to base into height. So here I have height is x and base is 15 and total area is 150. So x equal to 150 by 15. So here you will get 10. The value of x is 10 centimeter. This is the answer of this question. As part of the sports competition, 14 athletes run 100 meters and complete the swimming race. The scatter diagram shows the time in second and 100 meter. The time in second to complete the swimming race of 11 these athletics. So here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 athletics. So here I have in first question on the scatter diagram plot this point. So this is 23.5. So this is 20 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5 it will come here 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the point. Here is the first point. Second 25.4 25.4. So here this is 21 2 3 4. So here 8.6. On this line it will come. So here this is my another point. This is the another point, and here 11.404, 1 2 1 4 here, and this is 24.24.9. So 24.9, it will come here. Now state the type of relation. Here we have to say state the type of relation, and here you can see the graph is moving up, so this is the positive correlation. And the next point is on the scatter diagram, draw a best fit line. So from here I will take a line. So this is the line, this is the best fit line. So we have to check where is the best fit line. So here I have 1 2 3 4. Here we have 50% is this side and 50% is this side. So this is my best fit line, and here we have to check in 23.8. So here the another person is completing the race in 23.8 second. So this is 23.8 second. It is coming around 10.4. So this is the person who complete the race, and this is the point here, 23.8. Answer is 10.4 second. For this question, here this is the diameter and here it is mass. Write down the mode of the diameter. Mode of the diameter, which number is coming most of the time. So here you can see 70 is coming one time, two time, and three time. The maximum time 70 is coming. The answer of this question is 70 centimeter. Second question, we have to count this one: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are the 9 and equal to 9 odd number. So mode median equal to n plus 1 by 2. So for even case, so this is 9 plus 1, 10 by 2 in fifth term. So here we have a fifth term. You can check 1 2 3 4 5. Fifth term is 150. Fifth term is 150. So my median is 180. Here find the equation. This is the graph. Here we have to find the equation of a line y equal to mx plus c. So this is the point 2 comma 0, and here I have this is negative 0 and negative 1. Equation of a line. So from here y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. So you can take any one point y and y1. Here I can take 0 and m and x minus x1. X minus x1 is 2. So y equal to mx m or x minus 2. How to find out m? M equal to y2 minus y1 and divide by x2 minus x1. So 0 0 and negative 1 is positive 1, and here 2 minus 0. So this is 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2. So here I have y equal to negative 1 by 2 or x minus 2. Now we have to complete this one, y equal to x square minus 2x. So here first value I will put here. So negative 2 is 4 and this is 4 and minus 3. So cancel 8 minus 3, 5. Here my first answer is 5. And now you can calculate same x equal to, you can put 1. So if you put 1, so here this is 1. For this case 1 minus 2 and 1 and negative 3. So 1 minus 2 and minus 3. So this is 1 minus 5 minus 4 negative 4. This is negative 4. If you put 4, 4 equal to 16 and 4 to the 8 minus 3. 16 minus 11. You will get 5. So this is the value of at x equal to 4. Now here we have to draw a graph. So here I have the value of x in between minus 2 to 4. The value of x is I have, if I put negative 2. So here if I use here, you will get 5. And if you use negative 1, you will get 0. And if you use 0, you will get negative 3. And if you put 1, you will get negative 4. And if you use 2, you will get negative 3. And if you use 3, you will get 0. So 4, and you will get, if you use 4, you will get 5. So first point is negative 2 and 5. So negative 2 and 5 here. This is the point, negative 2 and 5. First point. Second point is negative 1 and 0. This is negative 1 and 0. Then negative 3, 0 and negative 3. And next is 1 negative 4. 1 and negative 4 is here. 1 and negative 4. So this is coming here. This is coming here. And 3 and 0. So when x equal to 3, so y equal to 0. If you put 3 here, so this is 3, 9 and 6 and minus 3. So this is 0. The value of y is 0. So here 0 and 3. The value of y is 3. 0 and 3. If you put x equal to 3, x equal to 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6 and 0, 3 and 0. So this is the another point. And 4 and 5, 4 and 5. When x equal to 4, so here 2 and 5 is this one, negative 1 and 0 here, and then 0 and negative 3, then 1 and negative 4, and 2 and negative 3, 2 and negative 3, at x equal to 2 and y equal to negative 3. So this is the another point. And 4 and at 4 and 5. So if you put 4, 4 for the 16, 16 minus 4 for the 16 and 4 to the 8 and minus 3. 16 minus 11 is 5. So add 4 equal to 5. At 4 the value of x is 4 and that time it is 5. So this is the these are the point. Now second, here we have to find out the symmetry of this line. So we have to compare this one, ax square plus bx plus c. Here b equal to this, a equal to 1, b equal to negative 2, a equal to 1 and b equal to negative 2. So we can use formula for symmetry of line x equal to negative b upon 2a. So negative 1 upon b is 2. So here b we have 2, negative 2 and negative 2. B is negative 2. So this is positive 2 by 2. So you will get 1. X equal to 1 is the line of symmetry. So here last point, write down the value of x in the line negative value. So here this is the negative value of x. Here line intersect at this point. So point is negative 1 and 0. In this question, two bag A and B each contain blue beads and white beads only. The probability of taking a blue beads of random from the bag A is 0.8 and the probability of taking blue beads at random from bag B is 0.3. So here the probability from this bag is 0.8 and from white bag it means if you subtract 1 minus 0.8 you will get here 0.2. So this is the answer of this one. And here if you take 3 from this one, so white is 1 minus, so this is 0.7. So here my answer is 0.7 white and blue is 0.3. A student take one breed at random from a bag A and from bag B and one breed from bag B. Both are white. Probability white from A multiply probability white from B. So from white 0.2 and then white multiply this one white after white. So this is multiply 0.7. So here your answer is 0.14 and this is the final answer.